Hello everyone, this is my contraption. Over here we begin with our can of Powerade. This Powerade is resting upon some toilet paper, obviously. Once this toilet paper has been lit, the can of Powerade will fall along these vitamin boxes onto this taco box, through these 4 nut bars and into this CD case, which on top is a pin sticky taped and this metal rod just beside it to create that tilt so we can get the angle to puncture the balloon. Then this balloon will obviously pop and sound energy will be created. This sound energy will be transformed into kinetic energy as this CD case falls over, heats out the CD case, and this kinetic energy will be transformed into chemical potential energy as the plastic shot cup of vinegar will react with the bicarbonate soda or baking soda. Then to this side, once the balloon pops, this sound energy will once again be created into kinetic energy, which will hit these two cases, and this will fall onto this ping pong ball which has water inside it, and this ping pong ball will fall down to that switch which will open the light. Let's see if this works. So a chemical reaction has occurred, and on this side, and the light has been opened up. So that was successful. Thank you for watching.